Americans consume 20 billion hot dogs annually. But what really goes into these iconic snacks? Step inside the factories where mystery meats transform into the sausages we love. Discover shocking truths, from hot dogs containing up to 7 types of meat to mechanical separators, stripping carcasses of every scrap. Brace yourself for a journey that will forever change how you see that sausage in your bun. The origin of the term hot dog is a tale as tasty as the snack itself. Legend has it that during the New York Giants game at the Polo Grounds, cartoonist T.A. Dorkin spotted vendor Harry Stevens selling hot dachshund sausages. Inspired, Dorgan sketched a dachshund in a bun, but unsure how to spell dachshund, labeled it simply hot dog. The real story. New York paired their frankfurters with milk rolls and sauerkraut, laying the foundation for today's hot dog. In the production of sausages, the pig carcass is systematically divided into sections. Most sausages are made from less valuable cuts, such as shoulder, belly, and back fat, as premium parts like chops and fillets are reserved for higher-end products. For example, the belly produces spare ribs and bacon, while loin cuts are used for chops and schnitzels. The remaining trimmings from various parts are collected and repurposed for sausage production, ensuring minimal waste. And fillet are usually reserved for premium dishes, like steaks, instead of being processed into sausages. Both types of meat go through a meticulous deboning process to extract the maximum amount of usable meat. When the chosen cuts of meat arrive at the sausage factory, they're ready to get a good grind. Processed meat trimmings are mixed in, along with ingredients like food starch, salt, and region, specific seasonings to suit local preferences. To refine the mixture, water is sprayed in. These chains are then connected to create an even longer strand, which is carefully draped over moving racks. After being stuffed into synthetic casings, the sausages are carefully transported to the cooking chamber. The cooking chamber operates at precise temperatures and humidity levels to ensure consistency across thousands of sausages. Once cooled, the sausages are sent to a machine that uses cutting and air pressure to gently remove the artificial casing without damage. Ever ask yourself how natural sausage casings are treated? Natural sausage casings, made from pig intestines, undergo a detailed process to ensure quality and safety. First, intestines are collected from slaughterhouses, cleaned to remove fat and debris, and sorted by size and quality. After inspection and grading by size and thickness, weaker casings may be reinforced with an edible coating. Take a look at this round meat grinder. It's not just any grinder. This powerhouse does double duty. It grinds the meat to a perfect texture, while also steaming it to a juicy finish. The automated sausage stuffing machines have reached an incredible level of efficiency and speed. Each part of the machine works in perfect harmony, from the precise filling mechanism to the seamless casing tying system. This high-tech setup ensures that sausages are produced in record time. Natural casings work their magic by locking in moisture, helping the sausage stay juicy and flavorful. Once everything is complete, the sausages are packed, with the winner sausages being sealed at a rate of 16,000 jars per hour in 2 daily shifts. Most sausages are packaged using automated robotic systems, which significantly improve efficiency and consistency in the packaging process. These advanced robots are capable of handling high-volume production, with some systems able to package up to 1,000 sausages per hour, depending on the type of sausage and the complexity of the packaging. The robotic systems are programmed to handle various tasks, including placing sausages into trays, sealing the packaging, and labeling products. The dough then enters the proofer to undergo final fermentation, allowing it to rise perfectly before baking. Next, the buns are baked in the tunnel oven, a state-of-the-art cyclothermic oven that ensures consistent golden brown crusts with a soft interior. Next, the freshly cooled buns are carefully organized and prepared for packaging. All set to become the ultimate cozy home for those tasty hot dogs. Behind every crispy, golden KFC chicken lies a fascinating journey of industrial food production. Ever wondered how millions of pieces of chicken, 1890, in Indiana, faced early hardships? In his 40s, While running a gas station in Kentucky, Sanders began serving meals to travelers, with fried chicken becoming his specialty. In 1935, Sanders opened his first restaurant, calling it Kentucky Fried Chicken, and earned the honorary title of Colonel from the Kentucky governor. Despite success, obstacles like a restaurant fire and traffic diversion from a new highway forced him to franchise his recipe. After many rejections, he secured his first partner in 1952. By 1964, at age 74, Sanders had grown KFC to over 600 franchises. Chicken, a cornerstone of KFC's menu, is sourced from multiple poultry suppliers worldwide. KFC is committed to serving high-quality chicken while maintaining organizations like the Global Food Safety Initiative, or GFSI, which enforces top-tier food safety standards. By working with responsible suppliers, KFC ensures their chicken is not just tasty, but also ethically and sustainably sourced, giving customers meals they can trust. Upon arrival, chickens are humanely stunned to ensure they are unconscious and unaware of pain. Then, they are quickly slaughtered. Feathers are removed using a hot water bath followed by a picker machine, which includes hundreds of little rubber fingers that rotate around to remove the feathers. The internal cavity is flushed with clean water to eliminate blood and tissue. The feet are typically the first parts to be removed. Next, the vent cutter is used to remove the chicken's internal organs. It makes a precise cut around the vent and then uses suction or a grip to pull out the organs, like the intestines, liver, heart, and lungs in one motion. Each chicken undergoes inspection by both plant workers and USDA inspectors to check for diseases or issues like bruising. Only a small percentage of birds are rejected to perform their operations efficiently. Key parts, such as breast meat, is processed with great precision by the machinery. The process begins by loading front halves onto specialized saddles that securely hold the bird. Specific cutting tools based on the programmed recipe automatically perform precise cuts to ensure consistent product quality. Once the birds are pre-cut, they move to manual harvesting stations, where fillets and tenders are hand-picked for optimal quality and yield. After the meat is carefully separated from the bones, it is scanned using advanced X-ray bone detection technology to identify any remaining fragments. Pieces flagged by the machine are sent for manual inspection, where chicken pieces, primarily drumsticks, thighs, and breasts, are delivered fresh or frozen to KFC outlets. Then, the chicken is marinated in a proprietary blend of herbs and spices. This step infuses the chicken with the distinctive flavors that define KFC. The recipe for this seasoning mix is a closely guarded secret. After marination, the chicken is coated in KFC's signature breading mixture, which includes flour and a unique blend of At the heart of KFC's signature fried chicken is a clever invention by Colonel Sanders, the pressure fryer. Unlike traditional frying, where the chicken is immersed in open oil, the pressure fryer seals the chicken in a special chamber filled with hot oil. As the fryer heats up, it builds pressure, which helps to lock in the moisture that would normally escape in regular frying. This results in chicken that's not only crispy on the outside, but incredibly tender and juicy on the inside, delivering that perfect bite every